Wow, 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 wow. Yeah! I like this. They see me rolling. The hated. Okay. The moneymaker face. Can we put like no? Wow! Wow! Thanks for the input. Okay, no. And we're not drunk and we're not high. This is just our personalities when we're together, and this is my personality when we're not together as well. Damn it! Yeah, and I'm only like this when I'm with her. Yeah, she's boring in real life now. She might look all festive, but she's so boring. No. Yeah. Excuses. I'm sorry, I'm totally blind without my glasses on, so I'm like, yeah, what? I want to look like the shit emoji, please. Is it recording? You're not going to cut that up. Yeah, grandfather. I'm gonna maybe change my complete style and look after this. Oh yeah, you are. What would you say if I made a drastic move right now? Nothing, I'll just hit you. I feel like right now we're at the bottom of the screen. Because I'm like, oh no, you're fine, you're fine. This is not the best eyebrows, but then again, in comparison. Oh no, you saw it coming. The mean ass bitch! Damn it! Is this still recording? I'm doing this again. I hope not. You hope not? Bitch! I'm gonna oh fuck. What's this?
That's a fixing powder.
Oh fuck.
Yeah.
Shit! Ah! I'm not gonna allow you to put this up. I'm not gonna allow you to not allow me to put this up when I went through this. Okay, Egan. Don't say what? Cute. What's up, young homie? What you tripping on? So pretty. Look at her. I'm so pretty. Oh, so pretty. I'm so pretty and focus. How are you gonna deal with my eyebrows now that I actually have hair? Is that gonna be an issue or?
No, I'll shave them off.
Okay.